thought I'd share this rig that I've got that took me a while to actually get it the way it is. Not with precisely parts or anything, but just convenience and pretty much how I rig it up. So this is Sony FX3. As you guys can see, I just need to adjust two things, which is the monitor and the mat box. Open it up like this. HDMI goes into the monitor. One button to power up the camera, and powers up the Ninja flame wheel. And we're good to go. You guys can see right there. So very, very rigid. I'm using a Tilta cage. I've have it rigged up, the V-mount and the plate from the inside, so I can get most space usage right like this. Because the FX3 has a foldable screen, it very handily just lays down there, and it's just easy. I still have enough access right here for my fingers to, you know, go to the function button, the display, or the menu, or whatnot. You know, the ISO and everything else that I gotta go. As for powering, the V-mount is on this plate, and this plate has two wires coming out. One wire goes and powers up the monitor, and one wire comes out and goes into this dummy battery, which powers up the camera. All right, so very nice layout and setup. I got a G Master 2470 on the lens, constant 2.8 aperture, giving it a very nice depth of field, and autofocus is really on point. As for the monitor, it's very nice. It's a very nice monitor. You can do external recording as well, which I have 1 terabyte SSD. So I can do some external recording, which I do. And that is it. It has a handle for when I'm getting the lower shots. When I have it on the floor or something, I usually put it up like this, or I put it up flat, because it's a flat layout, so it's very, very sturdy, doesn't fall or anything. And that is it. The total cost for this, I'd say, you know, we got a couple grand here. But the image it produces is very nice, and very crisp, very clean, very responsive. The color, very beautiful to grade, and yeah, it's easy. Like I said, I just close this, one switch, everything is off. I get my my bag. Oh, and before I forget, I use the Rode. So this is the receiver. This is the mic. You can just clamp it down. You remove this if you don't want to use it. I use it because I always record in wind conditions, so this is a must. And I just put it right here in the cold shoe mount of the handle, and that is it. And then I don't lose it. I take this off, just twist that, untied the matte box, which is a small rig and carbon fiber one. Absolutely love this. This goes like that. And you can close it up. And I can go to the filming location just like that. So very, very nice, awesome camera. I highly recommend it. Peace.